This is the ANGE Hair Le Duo 360 Airflow Styler. It is a straightener and a curler in one tool. I got the size Grande because I have long hair, and it was suggested to move to this size if you have hair that's past your shoulders, which mine is. And we're going to go over the features. The first thing that I really love about this is the cord. It is a dual voltage cord, so you can travel with it, and it also has a swivel, so you're not going to get caught up and tangled when you're doing your hair. If you look at the front, this is where you have your heat settings, and it goes from 280 degrees Fahrenheit up to 430 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, if you've never used a straightener as a curler, I do suggest practicing first with the straightener off so that you're not burning your hair while you're learning. So let me show you. There's a little bit of a learning curve if you've never done it before. This is how I do it. I'll take a piece and I always roll away from my head. So I'll clamp the hair, and this is really nice because it has a clamp already. So I'll clamp the hair, twist it until the end piece is facing forward. This is the end piece, so till it's facing forward, and I'll just gradually work it down. So now that I have it on, the first thing I'm going to do is hold down the power button, and the light will blink, indicating which level you're at. So right now I'm at 280. I'm going to hit it again, and now it's at 320, 360, and at 390 is where I'm going to keep it. I have very straight hair, so I usually need more heat to make sure that it's going to curl. Now I separate my hair into 2 layers, and I'll clip this up here. I bring it to the front, I brush it out, make sure that there's no tangles in it. Now what I like to do is grab pieces that are maybe, I would say, 1.5 inches. What's really interesting about this, which is the airflow dynamic side, is that it has a button that has a picture of a fan. And so what this does is allows you to simultaneously curl and cool down your hair, which is really cool. I bring the tail to the front and just let it slide down. And then with my fingers, I just give it a little twist. So this is what it looks like. What I like to do is go in with a brush and brush it through. I don't want that heavy curled look. I'm going for more of a blowout style. So some things that I love about the design is I love the rounded shape. I feel like that helps give the curl a nice shape when I'm twisting it out. As you can see, while I'm doing my hair, I'm also touching it here and helping my hands move it around. And so this part here does not get hot at all. I also love that it has an automatic clamp, so I don't have to do anything extra to get it to squeeze. And again, the swivel cord is just moving with my movement, so that's really nice. So all in all, I think it's a great tool. I love that it's a 2-in-1. I personally use it more for the curler than I do for the straightener, but it's nice to have both options to mix up my looks and only have to bring one tool with me. So if you're interested in a tool like this, I would give this one a try.